Hello YouTubers, good afternoon. This is Brian from Van and Solar Adventures, and I just thought I'd post a wintertime video. You know, I posted a video a few weeks ago about the Yeti 1400, how it basically stopped operating under 25 degrees Fahrenheit. I was very disappointed in it. I basically ended up taking it indoors, and it's a backup power generator indoors now until it warms up in the spring. But I live in Missouri, and it's gone down to a low of -6 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have been very impressed with my systems. Now, I have my systems covered with a sleeping bag, 2 sleeping bags, and so I've tried to insulate it a little bit, and I've kept it plugged into solar so it gets some heat from the solar charging during the day, and I've kept the inverters on so it gets some, in fact, I'm turning that one on, it gets some heat because of that. And it maintains enough heat, and I've been very impressed. The lithium Inergy Kodiak has maintained working, and it's charging up fully every day. I've got 300 watts plugged into it, and it charges up fully every day, no problem. Really just in a couple hours. It's very efficient. The Yeti 1250, reliable workhorse solar charger, no problem operating at -5 degrees. And then I got my Yeti 1400 here, expanded with 4 batteries, 2,000 watts, and you can see it's full charging. They're all full here. Now, I've had good sunlight today, but I just wanted to post this video because if you live in cold weather climates, gets down to -5 or -6 degrees, the Yeti 400, the Yeti 1250 AGM based battery systems, and if you're looking for a lightweight lithium ion generator systems, the Inergy Kodiak works fine in cold weather. The Yeti 1400 does not. I don't want to cut the Yeti 1400 too much because probably in the owner's manual it states you should use it in cold weather unless you do all kinds of insulation, but it's much more sensitive to cold weather than any of these devices. So basically, bottom line is I don't really recommend it for super cold climates. But I did want to compliment these other solar chargers, and again, I like using my system year-round. I get great. The sun just seems brighter in the winter. You know, we have no leaves on the trees blocking the sun, so my panels get full sun exposure. And the colder the panels are, the more efficient they are as well. So I get tremendously great solar production in the winter. This winter in Missouri, it hasn't been dry and dreary and dark every day either. Have we had a couple days like that? Yes, but for the most part, we've had a lot of sun as well. And even I've got so much solar that even if I have 2-3 hours of sun, that it fills them up fully. When I first started, I just started out with 100 watt panel. If you have one system, that's fine. It maintains. That's basically the only thing powering the 2,000 watts. Going into my Yeti 400, but expanded to 4 batteries, total of 2,000 watts, and that charges that fully every day, no problem. But bigger systems, I've got I think 240 watts going into that, and 300 watts going into the Inergy Kodiak, and they charge in a couple of hours, which is great because that means even if you have 2-3 hours of full sunlight every day, these are maintained full. They have good long life expectancy. I try to make sure they don't discharge below 80%, so I can get the maximum amount of usable life out of these, and for my investment. Even though you can replace the batteries in these, you can't really replace it in that. Although I think Energy will replace it for you if you send it back to the factory. But I think the warranty is like 2,000 cycles or something like that, or maybe longer. Anyways, just a real quick video if you're wanting a solar system in cold weather, and some comments about the different systems available. All right, catch you later, people. Have a good day.